Alright, this week we had to do it was the bike and barge in the chapter, which taught you a little bit about Amsterdam and bike riding in Budapest. And for the case programming projects, I chose to do the Oasis Spa tablet app, which gives you links to the spa services, the address with the phone number, and links you to a website for the spa. And I did the Modern Art Museum, which just has 3 web links. So let me pull up my project here. Oh wow, sorry, I didn't know all these were closed. I'll go ahead and open up our Nexus 10. We've got our layout here. I kept the photos and the tour just the same as the chapter project. Here, and let me open a few of the dummy context and item detail fragment. So yeah, this week the book did not do a very good job of explaining, as far as Android Studio 2.2.3 is concerned, exactly how to accomplish the project. There were a couple components missing. One, we were supposed to have an item list fragment .java category, as well as I think an item detail fragment .xml layout here. And so because I didn't have those, it caused some confusion. I actually had to email a couple of people in the class this week. Let me get my tablet right here. But it worked out in the end. I was missing a parentheses, and I knew that the item detail took the place of the item detail fragment. So it ended up working out. Here we've got our spa services. And to get this right on the photos here, I had to add a little bit of padding on the right-hand side here because it seemed like my text was going to run off. So here are the spa services. Here's the spa address. You could dress that up with some text color or size if you wish. And then we have a full website that opens inside of our master detail flow template. So this one was pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and that will take us over to the museum app. So for the museum app, let me compare these two real quick. Sorry, the item detail fragment. In the book when we went through, we had item equals 1, 2, or 3 based on the tabs to the left, and I will pull up this emulator to show that. But when we got over to the museum and they just wanted you to open, the 3 different tabs needed to open 3 different browsers inside the website, I have yet to find a way to do that. I see where they're, trying to pull from. I don't know why it's saying it cannot resolve R here. It doesn't say that if I just open it. And I'll do that here in just a moment when we go through the app, just to prove that that was working anyway. Oh, there we go. Okay. So yeah, I tried to make a few different XML pages here. We've got our item detail, which is pulling this information here. And I tried making an item detail 2 and item detail 3 just to try and get these web pages to open up inside the master detail flow template. But as you can see when it opens the app, the first one, although it works just fine, the Barnes Museum here, and I can scroll through, the Tate Modern and the Van Gogh Museum are both opening in an external browser, and I'm not sure what is causing that. I've gone through and scratched my head, and I like I said, I can't find the error. So unfortunately, these are opening in an external browser, but the app, as far as I can tell, is set up correctly. So I've not found the issue. But those were the 2 apps. Like I said, the first one was basically just a repeat of what we'd done in the chapter, and the second one that added a little mix in, I was not able to figure out all the way. So yeah, please let me know what I did wrong. Like I said, I emailed a few students in the class, and no one was really sure what was going on. And I know my last issue was just a parentheses in the wrong spot on the other Oasis Spa. Here in the WebRoot line. So hopefully it's just a small error, and I'll revisit it this week when we make our mini projects. So thanks for watching.